Okay students, today special class 7 question number 7. To understand the question, let us read the question. Obtain all zeros of the polynomial f of x is equal to x power 4 minus 3x cube minus x square plus 9x minus 6 if two of its zeros are minus root of 3 and plus root 3 is given students. No more confusion. Let us start. Starting time, right? First of all, solution. Just to recall, when teacher taught this chapter, they have given you basic skill. The zeros are polynomial. They will write x is equal to alpha. They have told. This is like a formula. Keep in your heart. X is equal to alpha is the zero of the polynomial. Suppose the factor of the polynomial, if you want, you can shift this is equal to through this side. So minus alpha you will get. So x minus alpha you will get. This is factor, this is 0. Factors from only we are getting 0. Understood? This basic skill enough. Now come to the solution. Now first of all students, whenever you starting, you write the given from the question. Given f of x is equal to x power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 9x minus 6 students. This is from the question only I copied. Next given zeros of f of x. Zeros of f of x is equal to minus root of 3 and root of 3. It is given students. So the initial time I told like a factor we have to convert this. So that time will only we can get the divisor to divide this f of x polynomial. So I going to write the factor. Factors of f of x is equal to, how can I write? I told already x minus root of 3 you convert, and one more x plus root of 3 is given. There is nothing symbol means plus, that's why I written plus. Okay. Now factor also we got students. Now we need a divisor. So to find a divisor, so we have to do one understanding. See, you see this factor, it is look like algebraic formula expansion. X minus root of 3, x plus root of 3, it is look like a minus b into a plus b. So where we heard this formula from the algebraic formula, a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. We have seen this formula already, we have seen from the algebra. We know this students. So according to this, I going to convert this factor is equal to a for x, b for root 3. Okay, x square minus root 3 whole square I write. Why here square is there? No, that's why. This also I converting x square minus square root will be cancelled. So here 3 there will be. This is the divisor. So divisor of f of x is equal to x square minus 3 students. This much you understood. Nothing else. Given I have written zeros of the polynomial I have written. Factor I have converted according to the first basic skill through I converted. Factor it is look like a formula, algebraic formula expansion. So according to the formula, I converted like this. Okay, this root square will be cancelled. So x square minus 3 I got as a divisor of this polynomial expression, students. Now we are going to divide this polynomial expression. Only then we will get other zeros. Okay, now to divide, you write like this with a long division method. Long division method, we are going to divide this. Now write as it is from the question. X power 4 minus 3x cube minus x square plus 9x minus 6 I have written. This is the dividend. Divisor what we got now here, right? X square minus 3 I have written, students. Next side work you see here I doing. If you don't know how to divide this polynomial expression, you can learn now. Here first term, this from also first term you take. Dividend first term you write as a numerator x power 4. Divisor first term write as a numerator x square. So dividing time x power 4 minus 2 so is equal to x square you will get, students. This basic knowledge you know. You have to write as a quotient here x square I have written first quotient. Okay, x square I written. Now I am going to multiply with this quotient x square into x square x power 4 x square into x square x power 4 I have written x square minus 3 minus 3x square minus 3x square I have written, students. Minus 3x square I have written. Next, students, we are going to subtract this after multiplying this quotient and a divisor. After multiplying we are going to subtract this. Sir, why you not written here? According to the variables index we have to arrange, students. How we getting answer like this? When we are multiplying x square into x square x power 4 2 plus 2 4 like this. Multiplying time index of the variable so will be add. So x square into x square x power 4 x square into minus 3x square I have written. Okay. Next I going to subtract, students. This is plus means minus. This is minus means plus I have changed. Now I is subtracting. So 1x power 4 minus 1x power 4 is 0, students. Next this also plus 3x square minus 1x square. So I getting 2x square, students. Now one more terms we have to bring down. So which one we can bring? This one first of all bring. So according to the power of the index of the variable 3x cube plus 2x square we are getting. Okay. So this is plus, it is became plus, that's why minus 3x square. So minus 1 it is subtracted from this, so 2x square I got, that's why plus 2x square I have written. So here from I brought down this minus 3x cube. Okay, now the same here what we did, the same thing only. Here also first term we going to take from this divisor, the same again the first term we going to divide. Minus 3x cube divided by x square, students. Dividing time what will get is equal to minus 3x you will get. See 3 minus 2 1. So here 1 now 1 3 is 3 minus 3 only. So minus 3x you have to write as a quotient here. Now what you have written minus 3x, with this minus 3x only you have to multiply this divisor. Now I am going to multiply. Minus 3x into x square minus 3x cube I will get. So here 1, here 2, adding now, that's why. Next, minus 3x into minus 3, what will get? Plus 9x I getting, students. Plus 9x I getting, students. I have written here straight. Why? According to the variable, the index of the variable. Same to same place we have to write. Here square is there, no? That's why I am not written. I skipped that place. Now I going to subtract again. Minus means plus, convert. Plus means minus, you convert. Now subtract. Now what will be? Minus 3x cube plus 3x cube will be subtract. Next, plus 9x minus 9x will be get 0. Now the remainder what will be? This 2x square minus 6 only is there from this. Understood? This 2x square, next minus 6 from this I brought down, students. Again the same method, 2x square, this one and this one, we going to divide. So x square will be cancelled. So I got 2 only, students. That also plus 2 I got. Okay. Now with this plus 2 I going to multiply again this divisor. 2 into x square, 2x square, students. 2 3s are 6 minus 6, students. So we changing symbols to subtract. So all will be cancel. So I getting 0 as a remainder according to this long division method. Now the zeros of the polynomial we going to write, student. How to write the zeros of the polynomial? Already we have the factors. One another factor we got this one, students. Now we have to write again this quotient x square minus 3x plus 2 I have written here. X square minus 3x plus 2 I have written. Now I going to take a factor. I going to do the factorization now. The center number, what is this? Minus 3, students. The last number is 2, students. Here one number, here one number, you have to write. This both a number, when we are adding, minus 3 should come. When we are multiplying, this number should come. This is the way to split this center of the term. Okay, which number is possible? Minus 2 minus 1. When we are adding minus 3, we will get minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 you will get. Minus into minus plus 2. So that is I going to split here. X square, students, minus 2x, 3x only, instead we are splitting as minus 1x plus 2. I going to get the one another factor of this polynomial now. Now tell next, I going to split this x into x minus 2 minus 1 into x minus 2. When we are writing as a factor, we getting common factor x minus 2, only one time I writing. This 2 time occurring, so one time I have written. Remaining factor x minus 1 I have written, student, here. Okay, this is the factor of this main factor. Okay, factor I got. Now the remaining zeros of the polynomial we going to conclude finally. We know that already we have the zeros of the polynomial. what is we have? This also I converting as zeros. X minus 2 is equal to 0. We have to convert. X minus 1 is equal to 0. You have to write, students. So x is equal to minus 2 will become plus 2. X is equal to minus 1 will become plus 1, students. These are the other zeros of this polynomial. Now finally we have to write, students, therefore zeros of the polynomial f of x is equal to what we got already, x minus root of 3, x plus root of 3 we got, no? Again what we got? X minus 2 into x minus 1 we got, no? We got as a zeros like this, no? From here also already have given from the question zeros. So we going to write. What we got? Here minus root of 3. First 0. Second 0 plus root of 3. Another 0. What we have converted here? Plus 2. Next comma plus 1 are the zeros of the polynomial, students. Now you got understand. I taught you. You will understand. That's what I taught very much slowly. If you not understand, again watch this video. You will get clear. Definitely. Okay. Next class for wait, students. Whatever I teach the questions, all is very important questions. This will come to the board examination. Please don't ignore this video. Again and again, please do practice. Thank you.